What if the earth was flat? This is part 2 of the video I made. Please check it out too. Flat earthers are people who believe that the earth is flat. According to them, the earth is constantly moving up and gravity doesn't exist. According to them, the sun and moon are just above the flat earth and the moon has its own light. Yes, they do think that, but there are many things which flat earthers cannot explain with their model. So let's dig in. So, flat earthers, can you explain the most simple thing a model should be able to explain? Sunsets and sunrises. See, when the sun sets, it goes down the horizon. So, with the sun of the flat earth, the sun would just get smaller and smaller until it disappears. Yep, that's how it would show up to us. But that's not the case with real life. So, please explain that to me. Some of you guys say that there are refractive effects which don't make any sense. Some say that the sun is outside the dome, but if the sun is outside the dome, what will it do? The dome has a magical effect. So if the sun is outside the non-existent magical dome, how will seasons happen? Tell me. I'm waiting for you guys answers. You can reply down in the comments below. I don't want any stupid excuses. They surely will. But okay, let's move on to explaining lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses can't be explained by you, but what about a lunar eclipse? This is when the Earth's shadow is cast on the moon, and that means the Earth is between the sun and the moon. That's not possible with your model. There's no way that a lunar eclipse is possible. What about a solar eclipse? How will you explain solar eclipse? You cannot do that either. I'm waiting for your answers for this too. Please comment down below, idiots. Also, explain how GPS works without satellites. I mean, there's a very less chance that satellites exist on a flat Earth, especially when there's nothing to orbit. How does GPS work? How did you guys uh, travel for a meeting? And also, explain the photo evidence. And for photo evidence, I know you surely have an answer, which is that is a fake photo. That is CGI. No, it's not CGI. That's actual photos. You can literally send a weather balloon up there to see that if the earth is flat or not. But you guys don't have enough money to do that. Maybe you have, because a stupid flat earther actually spent a lot of money not on a weather balloon, on a laser gyroscope, which is a very precise instrument which can measure the motion of the earth. So, if the earth is actually moving at 1,000 miles per hour, it would show a 15-degree per hour drift. They used the laser gyroscope, and you know what it showed? 15-degree per hour drift. Okay, they still didn't accept that. So they came up with an entirely different experiment, put two cardboards with holes in them at the same point, and put it at a distance. They thought that if the earth was flat, the light would pass through and they would be able to see the light through the camera. But if the earth isn't flat, they would have to put the person holding the torch should be able to put the torch upwards, then they should be able to see in the cameras that if the light was coming or not. So they did the experiment at a certain distance and it again proved that the earth is round. Wow. So actually that's it, but I have another story for you. When I was preparing for this video, um, as you know, that I've seen many flat earthers discussions and have been part of many myself on social media. A person said that you should make a flat earthers. Okay, I guess, but I just don't like flat earthers because it may lead many other people to other much worse conspiracies, such as the anti-vaccine, which will cause innumerable deaths if it becomes more popular. It's fine till here. But you know what he said? He said at least the flat theory and its proof, they all make a lot more sense than round earth. Yeah, he's right. They make sense to people who don't understand science, fifth grade science. So, and if you guys have any questions and challenges for me, which you say that will not be possible on a sphere Earth, I will accept them, and there will be challenges for you flat earthers in the next video. Please subscribe and like if you like this video,